In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix calling on Messenger. Now, if you cannot receive any calls or if you cannot make any calls outgoing, what we can do to fix this is if we head to Messenger and then you simply want to go down to the bottom right hand corner, click on more. And then from here, if we go to the top, select the settings option. And now we need to scroll down until we see the option for report a problem. Click on this, click on report anyway. And now you can go ahead and select don't include. And then from here, you will then be on a page that looks like this. Now, what you can do is you can put in something simple like this right here. So just something very simple like this will do. So I cannot receive or make outgoing calls on my messenger. Could you assist in fixing the problem, please? You can go ahead and add any screenshots or videos if you want to do that, just to back up your claim. And then what you will then be able to do is send this to Facebook, and then Facebook will be able to diagnose and assist you in fixing the problem. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix messenger calls not working.